By now, you must be very familiar with this word called LLM, which stands for Large Language Model. But what is this model? Let's understand that today. LLMs are artificial intelligence systems used to model and process human language. It's an AI model trained on massive amount of text data to understand and generate human-like language. And that is the reason why they are called large, because generally these kinds of models are made of hundreds of millions or even billions of parameters that define models' behavior, which are pre-trained using a massive corpus of text data. And this massive amount of data comes from internet, maybe books, Wikipedia, or maybe GitHub. For example, there's a GitHub repository which has a huge amount of data which goes by the name of Stanford Alpaca. And then we have this open source data set on Hugging Face, which goes by the name of Fine Web, which has around 25.9 billions of rows. So these kinds of humongous data is used to train these LLMs. Just to give you a context on how humongous I'm talking about, GPT-5 has been trained on roughly around 70 trillion tokens. And if we talk about Llama 4 Scout, it has been trained on 40 trillion tokens. Whereas for Llama 4 Maverick, around 22 trillion tokens have been used. So can you imagine what is the level of the data on which these LLMs are being trained? And only these vast amount of trainings are the reason why we have such smart AI tools in the market. So you can say that these AI tools cannot think like human, but they can predict the most probable next word again and again in a very fast manner. The primary underlying technology of these LLMs are transformer neural network, which enables them to learn long-range dependencies and contextual text meanings. We have some smartly trained LLMs in the market like Qwen by Alibaba, GPT-4 by OpenAI, Claude 3 by Anthropic, Llama 3 by Meta. Now let me quickly list down these steps which goes behind building these LLMs. So it starts with data collection, of course, then happens data cleaning and data pre-processing, where they remove the spam content and the harmful content. Then comes model architecture, model initialization, and pre-training. After the model is trained, there goes fine-tuning and alignment and safety training. Then it's evaluated and tested, and finally it's deployed. So if you learned something new today, stay tuned.